How to fix, can't connect to server, and connection timed out. In this video I will show you one method. I hope it will fix your problem. First open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now open Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Open Change Adapter Setting. Right-click Wi-Fi or Ethernet, Network Connection, and click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server address. Now restart your computer and your problem should be fixed.